How's it going, guys? So, you got Luis here. If you guys don't know Luis,
what's up?
you guys gotta check him out. Anyways, me and Luis started an agency together about a couple weeks ago, and we have this challenge where we're gonna get it to $10,000 in revenue in the first 30 days. So we want you guys to kind of follow along here and kind of see it happen. People always ask me, Chris, like, you're getting these clients, like, how are you closing these deals? How is it doing it? What is it? So basically what I'm doing is, like, I'm gonna start going in a completely new niche. We're going in a new niche, for me at least, and going completely blind and kind of working our way to getting these deals to get to $10,000 a month. Show you guys exactly how we're doing it, how we're positioning ourselves, how we're doing lead generation, how we're structuring the deals, how we're closing them, and how we're fulfilling the services. So we're gonna be doing that here in these first 30 days. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, my Instagram link will be in the description down here, whatever. And follow me on Instagram, watch my stories. I'll be posting more about this daily. And I'll also put at the end of the 30 days, I'll post up a video here on my YouTube channel showing you guys if I made it or not. So check that out when it comes out. But hey, right now, that's what we're gonna be doing. So to give you guys an idea, the $10,000 have to be in the first 30 days, as in you have to get the $10,000 in sales. It can't be like checks or unclosed deals. It has to be closed deals wired to us in the 30 days. So just to give you guys an idea how it's working. Also, I wanted to do this mainly to show you guys how it's possible to be able to do this. Okay, obviously I have marketing experience. Obviously I have clients in my other agencies in different industries that pay me, multiple thousands of dollars every single month. But new industry, completely new agency. We're not using any of our, we're not using basically anything to help us out. We went from basically from scratch. So I'm working on a course right now. I'm gonna working on a course kind of to show you guys how I'm getting this agency to $10,000 in the first 30 days. Again, it's in a new industry, completely new niche, completely new to us, completely new to me, especially me. And the whole idea is we're just selling, what, $2,000, $3,000 packages to get the $10,000 in the first 30 days. So if you guys want to see exactly how we're doing it and actually see that it's possible to do it, even when you're starting a new agency, I'm not saying it's going to take you 30 days. It can take you 4 months, it can take you 5 months. It took me 7 months to get my first business to 6 figures. So that's that. But yeah, it's doable, and we're going to show you guys along. So if you guys want to follow us and check us out and just continue like this little journey, we'll post more updates. But yeah, we should already hit it. Yeah. And we're gonna go to Vegas to celebrate, so that's gonna be exciting.
We'll bring you along too.
Yeah, we'll bring you guys along so you guys can see that. But yeah, do you want to mention anything else?
No, well, basically just the stuff that we're going to be sharing after. The methods that we're using is something that we haven't really seen in other courses as far as getting clients. So we're really excited to show you, once we hit that mark, which we are, to show exactly what we're doing step by step, so you guys can see how we're doing it.
Exactly. I mean, I spent the past year and a half building a little less than a year and a half, but building my agency. Like, I used to go with my buddy Omar, my buddy Kabir. Shout out to you guys if you guys are watching this. We used to go door knocking on literally hundreds of dentists every single day from like 9 a.m. to like 4 p.m. Every single day door knocking on hundreds of dentists. And it was so inefficient. It was so bad. It would kill our positioning. And there's like so much things I learned. And we try to reinvent the wheel half the time. We should have just listened to someone else who was already, had already done this well and just copied their system and just recreate it for ourselves. So that's kind of why I'm doing this. Kind of so you guys don't have to sit there and go through the same obstacles I've gone over and Luis has gone over and we all have gone over. So basically try to grab all this experience, put it into something you guys could watch. It's gonna be like no other course out there. I'm telling you, I did not learn any of this from a course. I learned this through doing it myself and through being mentioned by other people. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we're doing this, and it's gonna be hectic, and hopefully some of you guys could get the 10,000 mark in the first 30 days, or at least in the next 30 days. You never know that. Even though you've already been established for several months, who cares? Let's just get you to 6 figures and beyond that. So I'm excited for you guys to join this. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram if you guys already haven't. Again, we also have a private Facebook group where we talk all about social media marketing and running a consulting or digital marketing agency, and how we get results, how we get clients, just all those things. They're all in the free private Facebook group. So the link for that is the first one in the bio. The second link is gonna be the Instagram. And then yeah, if you guys want to check out some more videos, I'll post them somewhere here on the screen right now. So I appreciate you guys watching. Again, follow me, follow Luis. See you guys later.